Good morning, boys and girls. This is Teacher Grace welcoming you to another lesson, number work lesson. And before we begin our lesson, we have a song that we are going to sing. I'm going to teach it to you, then you'll sing after the teacher. So this is how our song goes. One little bird sitting on a tree, along came another one and that made two. Two little birds sitting on a tree, along came another one and that made three. Three little birds sitting on a tree, along came another one and that made four. Four little birds sitting on a tree, along came another one and that made five. Well done. So today we only sing up to number 5 and then we get back to our lesson. So as I had said earlier, today we are learning something new called add or plus. And this is our sign for plus. It looks like a cross, but in number work we call it plus. Plus means putting together. Whatever the number you have, you put together with the other number and then we get the answer. Example, we have been drawing enough balls for each number when we were doing our number value. For example, we had our numbers like number 1. How many balls do we give to number 1? We asked number 1, how many balls do I give you? Number 1 will tell me 1 ball. So that is it. For the number values like number 2, you can do it like that. Number 2, how many balls? Those will be 2 balls. You make sure you give enough balls to each number, so that when we are doing our plus or addition, we will give each number enough balls, then we can count and get the answer. Example, we have 1 plus 1 equals. How many are we going to get there? If I have 1, put together with another one, how many will I have there? So our number 1, we look at number 1 and see how many balls are we giving to number 1? It's only 1. Good. The other number 1, we also give it 1 ball. So here we have, it's 1 plus 1, or 1 put together with the other one. So we count and see how many balls we'll be having there. And when you are counting your balls, make sure you use a dot inside so that you don't leave any ball uncounted. So we go 1, 2. Okay, how many did we get? 2. Do you remember how we write our number 2? Yes, that's the way we do it. Number 2. And make sure you write a good number 2. We can have another example. 1 plus 2 equals. How many balls do we give to number 1? Teacher is asking herself. Okay, how many balls? 1. 1 plus 2. How many balls do I give to number 2? 2 balls. 1, 2. And then for me to get my answer, I put all the balls together, or I count all the balls. So I have 1, 2, 3. Our answer here is 3. So that's the way we do it when we are doing addition. I can give one here that you can try it at home and tell me how much will you get. Okay? You can try that with mommy at home or daddy at home, and then you will tell me how many balls you'll have at the end of that. So thank you. Well, till we meet again in the next lesson. See you.